How's everyone doing out there? Coming to you guys live from Los Angeles. Hope everybody is doing great out there. Hope you're all taking care of yourselves in these needy times. I'm gonna bring you guys another cryptocurrency video, and I'm still not sure how relevant this is for me to mention nowadays, towards the end of 2020. Today being November 13th, but I do want to quickly say that I'm not a financial advisor and that all forms of investment should be researched for your own due diligence. So, whatever you guys do, guys, improvise and prioritize safety as your number one asset. So, today I want to go ahead and talk about Bitcoin Vault. I know that there's been a lot of talk as to what is going on with this project. I know that there's been a lot of people that are angry, and there's also a lot of people that are looking forward to the future of this project. Um, this project gained a lot of hype by increasing slowly over time for a couple months and hitting a peak of $450 from a starting point of $25. I personally got into it because I liked what they were trying to do. I believed in what they were trying to do. And also, I saw that they were listed on reputable exchanges. And so I thought to myself that it is probably something serious because reputable exchanges don't tend to mess around, especially when there is big money involved. So Bitcoin Vault did have the volume, certainly, and the liquidity on exchanges. So it got me to get in on the project myself from around, I got in at around 150, but I did continue to invest over time. But obviously, by the time this thing gained a lot of hype, a lot of people had already invested whenever the price was probably already over $200, 250, 300 even. So right now, November 13th, 2020, the price right now is sitting at $83. And so the main question becomes, is this going to continue to rise, or is this thing going to just, go to zero pretty much? And just to give my quick take on it, I think Bitcoin Vault will recover to its all-time high of 450 and will also surpass that all-time high and go much higher than that. I think there's a lot of finance that's backed into this project. I think there's a lot of money in it, of course, and I think that the people behind it are serious. Mining City is considered to be one of the biggest cryptocurrency mining companies out there right now. I believe they're eighth or ninth in terms of their mining hash rates. So I can't exactly recall which website I saw it on, but I do want to go ahead and say that it's one of the biggest mining companies. It's certainly in the top 10, next to Antpool and also next to some of the other big names. So what Bitcoin Vault's main thing is that it can reverse transactions. So it has some extra level of security there. So I think it's a good project. It's listed on reputable exchanges and it has liquidity. So the question becomes, is it gonna recover back to where it was at a high of around 476? I believe so. I think it'll reach that and surpass it. It's a great project. It's listed on MXC, Coineo, Probit, Liquid, BKX, Lbank, Hotbit, Buybox, P2B, B2B, WBF, and Bitmart. And I believe today they announced that it's gonna be listed on Bitrex. And if you guys know about cryptocurrency and have been in the game for a little bit, then you'll know that Bitrex is one of the top exchanges. It's based in the United States, and it's one of the top 20 exchanges listed on CoinMarketCap. So it's definitely in positive standing. All the signs are pointing towards Bitcoin Vault going back up. And whenever we look at the chart, we can see that the price drop happened whenever the coronavirus pretty much kicked in, going full blast. And the price drop from about $480, approximately, give or take, went down all the way to about 290, and then it dropped back down to about $100. And so I think my take on as to why the price dropped down so much is because I think they wanted to see what was going on with the COVID situation. And yeah, what's up, Maher? Yeah, I too miss BTC being 20K, but it looks like it's going back up there. I mean, it's at what, 16,000 now, so I mean, for the people that invested at 15, 16, I mean, they're getting their return back right now, so good for those people. I'm just hanging on to my stuff, so I'm in it for the super, super long term. I mean, these couple $1,000 deviations to me isn't really anything. I'm hodling until, you know, long, long term. So, yeah, there's a lot of dark web stuff going on too. But just to quickly get back to Bitcoin Vault, I'm not sure if you've heard of it, Maher. But Bitcoin Vault is gonna recover. I think they're just waiting to see what's gonna happen in terms of this COVID situation and whether or not the price is gonna be going back up. In terms of the stock market and whether or not what these presidential situations are gonna be happening. But I think once everything is in stability mode in terms of the world economy, whether it's Europe, whether it's the United States, and whether it's the Middle East, I think Bitcoin Vault is pretty much the company behind it, Mining City, I think, is just waiting for stability so they can pump the price back up again. And a lot of reputable individuals and people that have looked into this project are actually expecting the price of this thing to go about 1,000%. So that would be a price from now would be around $800 to $1,200. So I can definitely see Bitcoin Vault being there. Um, and it's just listed on Bitrex again. So I mean, all the signs are pointing towards the project going to the price of where everyone wants it to be. Initially, when these guys started out, I thought they were gonna go and reach the price of Bitcoin itself. So they're growing. They're getting more and more popular. If you go on if you go on a coin market cap and you go to Spotlight, which is their new feature, and what this is what the Spotlight feature is on coin market cap is pretty much um, it's pretty much a page that shows which cryptocurrencies are trending the most, meaning which coins are being looked at the most, and Civic is one right now. Simply because the price went up like 5x, like in the past 2-3 days. And then Bitcoin, of course, is also one of the most searched coins. And the third is Bitcoin Vault. So third place is Bitcoin Vault, and it's certainly seeming to hold. So there are a lot of people looking into Bitcoin Vault. So the fact that it's popular right now, and also the fact that it's just continuing to develop, is an excellent sign. So everything is pointing towards the sign of Bitcoin Vault going back to where it's supposed to be and where it is headed towards, according to a lot of analysts. And I'm not one, by the way, but these are just my opinions. But I think they're good opinions. So, yeah, Bitcoin Vault just got listed on Bitrex. So what that means is that it received the go-ahead in the U.S. for jurisdiction to pretty much be active in the country, which is a good thing. And the U.S. is, whatever the U.S. usually does, the rest follows. So, the Bitcoin Vault listing on Bitrex is an excellent sign, and I think the price is gonna go up, at least to $100, maybe in the next few days. We don't know exactly, but we'll see. But and also, if you guys know and have been following the cryptocurrency market, that hype drives price, and the popularity of Bitcoin Vault, is going to create that hype for itself, and in turn, the hype is also going to be another factor driving the price up. Just like Jack Dorsey drove the price of Bitcoin up, announcing that his company Square is going to be investing 1%, which was about $50 million, they said, into Bitcoin, and that drove the price up from 10,500 to about 11,500. And then PayPal came in next, announcing that they're going to join the Bitcoin cryptocurrency game, driving the price from 11.5 to 12.5. And now those two big companies pretty much being in the game. And now we see the price of Bitcoin at 16,000, 16 what, 4, 16.3, something like that. But yeah, I mean, going back to Bitcoin Vault, they are much newer. The fact that they're the first company to be able to reverse transactions is actually a big thing. It's never, I mean, it's a form of patent. It's never been done. And the fact that they can do it is a great thing. So, um, we'll have to wait and see where the price is going to go from $83, which is what it is right now. But I just want to go ahead and add that everything is pointing towards the price going up. Now, the $480 mark, I don't think we're going to get to, like, you know, just the way it went back down, but I think eventually we'll get back down there. And looking at why the price went down, I mean, realistically, um, it's seemingly because of the COVID situation. I mean, I think they're just waiting to see what happens, but who really knows, right? But Mining City is one of the top 10 cryptocurrency mining companies in the world, and I tell you this: if these people didn't believe in their project, they wouldn't be mining Bitcoin Vault. They would be mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, which is second place. So Bitcoin Vault is looking good. It's continuing to grow. It's remaining as being popular on CoinMarketCap, and it's being searched a lot. And a lot of the big YouTubers know about it. So it's looking good, guys. I think Bitcoin Vault is looking good. They've got some more work done on their ecosystem. It looks like they got a new desktop app by the name of Electro Vault. And yeah, I guess we just mentioned that at the same time. So it looks like there's more and more development being done to Bitcoin Vault and the entire ecosystem. So I actually pulled out my laptop right before I ordered some food. I thought I'd do a quick video on this while I wait for my food. So I can't exactly recall what the website is where they show which companies are the top mining companies, but I know Slush Pool is one. Mining City is top 10. I think Ant Pool was also there, but I'll definitely have it the next time I do a video on this topic. So I'll just have to wait and see when the next time is. I'll do a cryptocurrency video because my next video, guys, is actually gonna be on UFC and the MMA fights that are going to be coming up. So, um, yeah, we'll see what happens with Bitcoin Vault, but I mean, it's looking good. The liquidity is there. It's listed on a lot of reputable exchanges. It was quick to list on a lot of reputable exchanges, and actually, if you look on Coinio, they have a OTP going for Bitcoin Vault. So if you go to the Coinio website, on the top you'll see Bitcoin Vault OTP. So I mean that's another thing proving that the exchanges trust the project and what it's trying to do, and I think it'll succeed. I think it'll succeed. So in my opinion, I'm not an advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, but I think it's a good time to get in on the project. You know how it works, guys. Buy low, sell high. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin Vault and where the project is headed, and where you guys think the project is headed. So give me your inputs as to what you guys think of Bitcoin Vault and what it can do to promote itself even more, because it's looking pretty good considering it just got listed onto Bitrex, I believe today they announced, and also it's keeping its popularity at a top 5 on CMC. So we'll see what happens, guys. And with all of that said, take care of yourselves, be well out there, and I'll see you guys soon enough. Thanks, guys. Peace.